Good morning, and today we're doing another vlog on Honey's vlog, her paw vlogs. And today we're just gonna turn the ball because she's amazing. And it's brightening up because it was really nothing. This morning was really cloudy and rainy, so we weren't gonna do anything this morning. But now it's like brightening up and everything. So the agility is coming soon, and she's gonna be really amazing at it because I think she's going for intermediate or masters, but I think she'll be in masters because she's like top dog. No offense to any other dogs that are watching this or owners who are in agility, but no offense, but she just has the kind of like nerve for it. Good girl, honey. So this is basically her life, so please subscribe and like and comment. We're still working on editing and working on the intro and outro of our vlogs, so please be patient if we're kind of a bit slow on it, but we'll have the vlogs like perfectly montages, edits, cool stuff like that. Oh yeah, please follow Honey at Honey Paw Vlogs. It's all one word in lowercase on Instagram. Yep. She's very intelligent, so when she knows that it's time to play ball, she goes and runs and gets the ball. She's really cute when she does that. But yeah. Yep. We had a slow start. She had a slow start to her day this morning because she doesn't like rain and she won't go out in rain ever. But we'll have something. So we're gonna start daily vlogging really soon because I think our last vlog was like 5 days ago, and that is not good. So we're gonna try and do daily vlogging as much as possible, unless I'm busy with stuff. So yeah. Good girl, honey. So this vlog will be up today, and she'll be doing other things today, but unfortunately we can't vlog anymore because the camera I'm using is dying and I have to charge it. But we'll be doing more vlogs, like longer vlogs, like daily vlogging, I think next week, so you can see her for like longer. Oh yeah, this is the thrower that she loves to it's the thrower, and it's green, but she has a blue one. But yeah. girl, honey. Well, we're gonna see you guys in the next vlog. We promise that the next one is going to be like really, really like long, but not too long. Just because this is just a short video. But okay, honey, say bye. Honey, honey.